guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY challenge. The challenge theme is look for less, and as you know, it hosted every month by lovely Amy from the Latina Next Door, and her co-host this month is Haley from The Farmer and the Southern Belle. I love both of those ladies. I've been following them for a while, and I was really pleased when they announced the challenge for this month, which is June 2020, look for less. So if you don't know what is a look for less, or if you don't know who are those two wonderful ladies, everything will be linked in the description below, so you can go check it out. But let me tell you a little bit about it. Look for less is, the rules are, we have to find something that we would like to recreate for a lot less. Like, I found two things that I really wanted, and they were from Pottery Barn. So, and I thought about it, and I'm like, I can make it. So that is look for less. I will show you my picture after I am done, and I will show you the picture that I found on a website, because I'm not going to the store just quite freely yet. So, and you can be the judge if I completed the challenge. So, but a little bit about one item that I will be recreating. It is on the website. I know it is it is a frame. Let me insert the picture, and it is huge. It probably will take half of the wall. That's probably why it's $125. But I really liked it, and I decided to recreate the miniature. So I love how it turned out. It is on my wall in my DIY room, and I'm thinking of moving it to the kitchen because I just like how it looks, so I can see it more often. But anyway, so I hope it's not bad. I just wanted to recreate because I loved it. I just don't need that big of a size. So yeah, I made it miniature. Anyway, so that's what we'll be doing today. I will have two DIYs for you, and if this is something you are interested in, please continue watching. Okay, so for this project, I'll be using this wreath that I picked up at Michael's. It was, I think, $1.78. So I got that. Then I've been collecting seashells for a while. This is from a different purchases. Mostly this is from Dollar Tree, and some of them are from Amazon. So whatever I have leftovers, it's going in this box. Same with this. For this one, I will use a chalk paint to make it more turquoise color. So, and of course, this is the stones. I did pick them up at Michael's, but not this time. They had, I think, 70% sale. And I got a couple of cans of different stones. So I have not used them yet because I usually use the Dollar Tree, but this one is colorful, so I really need this color for this wreath, so I will be using that. So technically, the only thing I have purchased is this wreath because I didn't have it, and that's about it, I think. Oh, and I got the spray paint. Yeah, because I did not have a white spray paint. So this is like around $3.98 at the Walmart. So let's give it a $4 and $2. So this all together was $6. So this whole project cost me $6. So if you want to see how I make it, please continue watching. Okay, so I went outside and I spray paint my wreath, and I need 5 of this starfish, but they need to be like kind of turquoise color. So I'm gonna try this chalk paint, and it is in a color pool, and I got a little bit of water in a cup to see if I need it, make it lighter, because I used this once. Oh, we need to make it darker. Maybe it's really light. So it's actually a perfect color. I don't need to do anything to it. So I'm gonna paint the starfish, all of those, and let it dry, and then we'll go to the next